If you ever need to make text look consistent in Microsoft Word, one of the fastest tools you can use is Format Painter. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word so you can copy formatting from one word, sentence, or even an image and apply it somewhere else in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver when you're formatting reports, resumes, documents, or anything that needs to look clean and professional. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in a Microsoft Word and find the text or image that already has the formatting you want to copy. This is your source. It could be bold text, a specific font, a certain color, a heading style, or even an image with the exact look you want to duplicate. Click and highlight that source text so Word knows which formatting you want to capture. Once it's selected, go up to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the clipboard group, you'll see the Format Painter button. It usually looks like a little paintbrush. Click that button once and your cursor will change into a brush icon, which means Word is now ready to apply the same formatting somewhere else. Now move to the text you want to change. Click and drag across the destination text, and Word will instantly apply the copied formatting to it. You'll see the font, size, style, color, and other formatting details match the original source. This is especially helpful if you want to make multiple sections of a document look the same without manually changing each setting one by one. Here's a useful tip. If you only need to copy formatting once, a single click on Format Painter is enough. But if you want to apply the same formatting to multiple areas, you can double-click the Format Painter button instead. That keeps it active so you can use it repeatedly until you're finished. When you're done, just press Escape or click the button again to turn it off. One important thing to remember is that Format Painter works best when you're careful with your selection. If you highlight too much or too little text, you may copy formatting in a way you didn't intend. So take your time selecting the exact source and destination areas you want. This tool is not just for text either. In many cases, you can use it to copy formatting between objects and images as well, which makes it very flexible for document design. If you're trying to make your document look polished faster, Format Painter is one of the simplest tools in Microsoft Word. It helps you keep everything visually consistent, saves time, and reduces the chance of formatting mistakes. So to quickly recap, select the text with the formatting you want, click Format Painter on the Home tab, then highlight the text you want to update. That's it. You've now learned how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.